Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Natasha Said Thrift. We are back at Salvation Army. It's Wednesday, so you know they have like whatever they slash off the prices. So today I'm going in with more of a game plan because usually I just walk around and try and find whatever I can find. But as you guys know, I am going to Greece next month in October. Today is September 13th, I believe. And so the temperatures there, when we're there, I'm there from October 4th through the 12th, I think. And the temperatures while we're there is like low 70s to like low 60s. So to me, that is freezing cold. I live, of course, in Alabama where it's like 11 something and it's 95 degrees outside. Like, so I'm just used to hot weather. So anything other than that is just freezing cold to me. So I know like in Greece, everything is very flowy and pretty and stuff like that, but I'm also going to need some sleeves. So that's what I'm on the hunt for. I'm on the hunt for something flowy that has sleeves. I also need to find like a really cute cardigan or a jacket or something that I can wear to throw over my shoulders while I'm there. So, you know, just in case the temperatures drop even more, like I have like an extra layer. Everything that I'm looking at that comes on like Google or YouTube, they're saying like, you know, in October you need to wear layers. So everything that I'm looking for needs to have some type of sleeve or something like that on it. Sorry, I'm looking around. I'm looking at these women up in here shopping. Anyway, so let's go in and see what we can find. And also if I see some sequins or something like that, of course I'm gonna pick it up. I'm only going in with $20. Okay, so take it or leave it. Like, I'm not spending no more than $20. So let's go see what we can find, babies. Y'all got me out here again. Okay, so we are going to stay on course. We are going to stay on track with what we are looking for. We are not going to be looking at the shorts and no, we're not. We're going to stay on course for what we're looking for. Okay, deal? Deal. This little top is cute. I saw this as soon as I walked in. I don't need it, but it's so cute. So I got it in my hands. Okay, so of course, I'm still going to go to the purses and the shoes first. So let's go there. This is a cute little bag right here. I also need to look for like a cute summer bag to like, when I'm, not a summer bag, but like a beach bag or a tote or something while I'm out there. This one is cute, but I'm not spending $14 on it. But it's cute. I had to just look, and it's no longer 50% off in the store. Now it is 25% off. I mean, I can understand, you know what I'm saying? Like, recession is real, so these people need to make their money. People in here are so nice. This lady just walked up on me and was like, oh, this would be cute on you. And this is something that I'm looking for. Cheetah girl. I honestly wish I could record more, but they play this music so loud and I'm not gonna get copyrighted, sis. And I'm in here looking at stuff I'm not supposed to, but look at sis. I had to button sis up for y'all. She is so pretty. I love those buttons. So nice. I like this shirt as well. It's a size 2X and it has these long flowy sleeves. I feel like this would be a good cover up. I might try this out. Where's the tag? Never mind, it has this blue stain and I just don't know if I'll be able to get that out. So we're gonna leave this. This is giving me the vibes when Theo on the Cosby Show and he had that shirt all jacked up. That's what this looks like to me. I feel like this would be a really cute cover-up top. I think this is super cute. I might go over to the men's side and see if they have like a cute polo top or something that would be a cute cover-up as well that I could take with me, something light but still very light. Let's walk over to the men's side. Shirt is so cute to me. Oh my god, what is this? My curve, so cute. Y'all need some mattresses? I'm probably not gonna wait in this line, but I do have things in my hand, so we have to see. So we were able to come up with a few things. Mostly it's just like tops and cover-ups, so we'll see how we feel about it. I already know I'm about to be charged an arm and a leg, but it's fine, it's fine. I'll let y'all see what I have when I get home. All right, babies, welcome back. So it's been a few days. Today is Friday. I went to Salvation Army on Wednesday. So I found out it's no longer 50%. It is now 25% off. So, you know, it's not bad. I wish it was still the 50, but at least they're giving you something, right? So, like I said, initially I wanted to go in there so I could find some like some cover-ups or something like that, like, because like y'all know I will be going to Santorini in October, so that's like 2 weeks from now that I'll be going there, and I know that the weather is supposed to be like 70s, like low 70s to 60s that they're predicting. So, and it's like Santorini is extremely windy, especially in October. And I know one of my clients, he went in May and he showed me pictures the other day, and it's even super windy in May because all of the water that's around the wind is just, and I'm a scrawny girl, okay, very scrawny, and I get very cold very easily. My hands are freezing cold right now. I might need to check my iron. Okay, mind your business, don't mind mine. Okay, but still, I know that I need something to cover my body. So that's what I went into the store looking for, was a few cover-ups that I think that I might take with me. I think 2 of them is a possibility. The other 2 is just so cute. I just want to take them with me. Like, well, not take them with me, but just buy them. So that's what I did. I think in total, I spent like $16 or something like that. So that's not bad. So this is what I'm gonna do from now on, okay, when I go to the thrift store. I'm only taking $20. Like before, I was OD. I was crazy. It'd be $40, $50 or something like that. Like I had a buggy full, but we're not doing that, okay? We're just gonna do $20 and yeah, that's about it. But yes, y'all know I was going crackhead crazy in those stores, spending up all my money. Like, I literally went to Walmart and bought racks. So I just, anyway. Oh, and another thing, like, I don't know what I'm going to do because these stores are trying to cop block on you, girl, because I want to take y'all shopping with me, but these stores play their music so loud, and YouTube will only let you play a song for like maybe 5 to 7 seconds before they try and copyright your video because the music that's playing. So I don't know if I'm just gonna have to have my camera around and then do a voiceover, but it's not the same because it's like, I'm funny, like don't, hey, I'm funny, okay? But it's like in the moment is when it's best, but we still gonna make it shake. We're gonna try and find some way for this to happen, okay? I'm determined to stay on this freaking channel because I love y'all so much. So we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Anyway, on to what you came here for, okay? Okay, so the first shirt that I got, and it's still brand new, still has its tags on it. This was $4.99. I don't know the size of it. Oh, it's a large. And I just love this shirt so much. I just recently got my dad one, and his has a pop of yellow in it. Oh, it's so good. I'm sorry if you can hear these young men around here rapping. I get a concert every night of them rapping and just cussing loud on the phone and just, I pay nice money to live over here. I don't understand what's going on. Anyway, so I think that this shirt will be really cute with like some linen white shorts or something. Or if I do take this top, maybe, or like some linen pants, or have like a white bathing suit or something, and then I can put this top on top of it and like tied up in the front or something like that. I think this will be a really cute cover up for my trip, and it's still very light and very breezy. So if the temperature does get a little bit warm, you know, you can just roll the sleeves up. You can unbutton it so you can wear it open. You can put a cami underneath it. I just really think that this is a really cute cover up type of top. So the next one is this zebra print, okay? Because y'all know I'm a cheetah girl. Like, don't get it twisted, baby. I'm a cheetah girl. But I do like this one. This one came from H&M. It is a size medium. This was $6.99 with 25% off. But I like this one as well. It goes the same. Like, I could do a white bathing suit. I could do some white linen shorts with it, white linen pants. Like, both of these shirts would be really cute, like in the morning, if we just want to get up and go somewhere very quickly to go get some breakfast or something like that and not dress up too much. These two tops will be really cute just to throw on because like they're a little bit bigger. It's a little bit flowy. It's more comfortable, you know, stuff like that, but still very cute, very stylish. I really like these. I can also see these with maybe some shorts, like some leather shorts or some leather pants or something like that. You know, tied up. You know me, I'm a tied up in the front. I might wear it off of the shoulders. Like, it's just so many things that you can do with a long sleeve shirt. You can tie it up all types of different ways to where it falls off, and it's just like a sweetheart type of neckline. I love this shirt. It's really cute, and it's very like, it's very good quality. You know, H&M is a good brand. So regular fit, I liked it. I really liked it when I tried it on. I also have pictures, so I will pop a picture up of what I look like in these tops. So for the third one that I got is this one. Y'all know me. Like I said before, I'm a cheetah girl ranter, okay? I'm a cheetah girl. So I really love this one. This one has buttons. Y'all know I love everything that's very soft, very feminine. I love the sleeves on this one. And it has the little ruffles right in here, and it buttons all the way down. It is a little bit see-through. As you can see my finger right there, but I just love this top so much. Like I said, if you've seen my previous videos, my grandmother, like, this is something she would wear. Like, my grandma just turned 88. I'm gonna put a picture right here of my badass grandma. Get into it. Yes, my grandma is a baddie. And so, this is definitely something that she would wear, or something that she has worn and she would pass on to me. So when I saw this, I was like, I got to get it. It is so cute. So cute. I just love this top so much. And then I probably wouldn't take this one with me though. Like, this one is just because it was cute and I feel like spending some money, so I bought it. And this one was $4.99 as well. I just took the tag off of this one. The last one is so darling to me. It really gives me like Fresh Prince vibes, or like TLC T-Boz vibes, or something Queen Latifah would have wore, or something like Salt and Pepper or something would have wore, like a style like back in the 90s when girls dressed very boyish. And I just love this top so much. It's by Ivy Crew. When was the last time y'all heard of Ivy Crew? Back in the early 2000s, maybe, right? And it's just so cute. I can see myself wearing this with some like distressed shorts, and getting one of those vintage hats and wearing it backwards or something like this. Like, this shirt is so cute, and it has like the little symbol right there in the front. I just think I'd be super cute in this shirt. Yeah, or either maybe even wearing some like biker shorts or something with it. Like, I think that this would be super cute. This was only $4.99 as well with 25% off. So I'm definitely not going to take this one with me, but it is like a shirt that I saw and I was like, I got to get it. So I just wanted to show you girls what I actually did get from the thrift store. Like I said, I'm going to figure out how I can get this together, because if you will see in the beginning of the video, like, I'm a little bit frustrated, and I understand, look, you got to make the shopping experience fun, but it's just so hard for us creators who want to create for, you know, our babies, and it's like, what we gonna do? So I'm thinking I might just have to do a come along with a voiceover with it. Hopefully I'll still enjoy that, but either way, I love y'all so much. Thank you for coming back and seeing me, and I will see y'all next week. Bye, babies.